So we're farming up here in southeastern Idaho, where we have quite a few rocks. When we dual up a wheel tractor, a normal wheel tractor, and they're skinnier tires, they sink deeper. And so actually had to double shovel, you know, put bigger shanks and bigger points on to try and tear out those wheel ruts. Whereas with these tires, we don't have that issue. We found that with these tires and really rough, rocky ground, which we have a lot of around here, that we're able to get a few more acres done a day. It's a little bit easier ride, so our operators can go longer and not be beat up as much. Plus, when it's really rough and rocky, it's hard to drive a track tractor over those rocks. So you've got to go around a lot of rock piles, whereas these, you can just kind of stay on your same line and creep and crawl right over the tops. If you got a rock, say, you know, the size of a basketball, and it's just a little bit under the ground, and you come up on that with a track tractor and that idler wheel rolls over the top of it, it will just slam the whole tractor from one side to the other because everything's solid. Whereas with these, they cushion, you know, that low air pressure in them. They're fun. It looks like I'm driving a monster truck all day long. This is awesome because the tires, you know, soak up a lot of that. You know, there's no compaction. That's where this thing is pretty awesome.